This collection was assembled by a couple of Parisian collectors over 60 years ago. It is fascinating because it is exclusively dedicated to the avant-gardes that took place in Paris in the 1930s and the 1940s. It's a bit like a time capsule that shows all the richness, the effervescence and the diversity of the Paris art scene at that time. We have a wonderful gouache by Joan Miró, who is the masterpiece of this collection. Actually, it is only a few weeks ago, when we unframed this work, that we discovered an inscription on the reverse of the work by the hand of Miró. We were able to know the precise date of the work, the 16th of August 1939, and also the title, the very poetic title, that was given by Miró to this work, L'oiseau du matin, the morning bird. It is because this work was always kept on the wall of the living room of the collectors that nobody until then was able to see this inscription, and it was a very moving moment when we were able to discover all these details and about the story of the work. What I find extremely exquisite and rare in this work is the very subtle and delicate details and motifs used by Miró. We find the same universe full of dreamlike creature, and also we can see this sophisticated and beautiful cloudy background that would be used in some of the constellations created in 1940 and 1941. Another work that has never been shown to the public is this still life by Pablo Picasso, Nature morte à la cafetière. Picasso reinterprets a theme of the 17th century painting, but by introducing a cubist aesthetic. He's also adding erotic symbolism. For instance, here the coffee pot and the cup symbolize the male and female sexuality in reference to the Freudian psychology. The collection also presents an outstanding example of experimentations of Fernand in the 1930s. We can see two faces in profile each other, and around you can see objects and organic forms which are just floating in the air. So it's almost a surrealist canvas in a way, and also it anticipates the use of everyday objects that will be central to pop art a few decades later. Finally, I would like to show you this impressive and monumental work by Nicolas de Stae. It was notably exhibited at the Fondation Mag at Saint-Paul-de-Vence and in Madrid at the Reina Sofia Museum in 1991. Except the two works by Nicolas de Stae, all the works of this collection have remained unseen for more than 6 decades. So their presentation at Sotheby's in April will be rediscovery and also the first opportunity for the public to admire them.